Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we'll be taking a look at the idler pulley on this Maytag electric dryer.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
A defective idler pulley will typically cause a loud screeching noise when the drum is tumbling. If the idler pulley pops out of position, it can also cause the belt to jump track and the drum will not actually tumble. To gain access to the idler pulley, you must first remove the two screws holding the blower housing to the lid. To lift the top panel, first thing we're going to do is
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.